Hello everyone, this video is going to walk you through how to use Microsoft Office Lens to take a photo of your work and upload it to Moodle for your faculty. If you haven't already, visit the App Store of your choice and download the Microsoft Office Lens app. First, download the app. This is available for both Android and Apple devices. When you open the app, find the Settings menu to access where the photos will be saved. This is where you want to use your @mycambrian.ca email address. You can also sign in using your own Microsoft or Gmail accounts. When you're ready to take a picture, line up your work. It's best to take a picture as straight as you can. For example, taking a photo of your work on an angle is very difficult to crop and to read. So take a photo as straight as you can within the frame of your camera. You can choose various options within the app. I would suggest choosing Document and take your photo. From this menu, you can crop. You can even crop a picture that might not be perfectly straight. Once your photo is cropped, if you choose to, you can add a title. When you're happy with your photo, select Done. From here, you can save your photo to your device or to your Microsoft OneDrive account if you've signed in using your Cambrian credentials. You can save to the photo library, or you can have the photo transferred to a PDF document, which will also get saved to your device. On this screen, you can also choose to retitle your image. I'm going to save it to my photo library. Once you're in Moodle, click the assessment for which you'd like to upload your photo. Select the arrow to find your photo within your device. Choose File from your photo library, or if the device gives you the option, choose from your recent files. Upload this file. Here you can see that the work is uploaded to the Dropbox within the quiz question. When you have answered the question appropriately, you can go on to the next question. I hope this video helps for when you want to upload photos for your faculty within Moodle.